From this point forward, we focus on ServiceNow, since a significant segment of the remediation work involves issuing tickets and responding to change requests. First, we acquire the package at Marketplace. The underlying technology is rapid automation, relying on a standard REST web service, which implies the availability of a REST agent. You simply download the package and install it. We'll install the package. The procedure is quick and done entirely in AWI. Finally, we look at the structure of the package, the technical elements, the objects, and some of the configuration requirements. ServiceNow is a cloud-based ticketing system that provides several services. It tracks incidents, change requests, supports lifecycle management and status follow-up, task assignments, approvals, and much more. Records ensure the proper management and resolution of real issues in the organization, enable the creation and follow-up of changes made to the IT infrastructure, and assign tasks to specific teams. ServiceNow also offers CMDB and asset management to model the IT infrastructure. The integration relies on ServiceNow's REST API, allowing many third-party providers to develop their own integrations. In the context of Automic, we can automate the creating and handling of records in 4 functional areas of ServiceNow: incidents, which can be processed all the way to resolution; change requests, to automate the handling of changes made to the infrastructure; the creation of CMDB configuration items; and asset management like computer components and virtual images. Once installed, the package includes pre-configured objects to handle these tasks. ServiceNow process definitions are action-based and use REST requests, post, get, put, delete, and so on. Field data is handled using Automic variables passed as standard query parameters. We'll point out the important ones. For any integration to work, you'll need the REST agent. We start by downloading the package. For this, we head to Marketplace. Note that Marketplace is accessible by anyone and only requires a login if you're downloading components. Since we're downloading an action pack, we have to log in. Then we run a search. Make sure you read the labels correctly. We're downloading the official Broadcom ServiceNow Action Pack, not community components. We head to the admin perspective to access the Action Pack functions and click Install from File. We simply upload the package. If you're prompted for missing dependencies, make sure they're installed. We need the REST package. The process to install this pack is exactly the same. Download from Marketplace and install through the administration perspective. We've installed the REST pack. The ServiceNow package comes with a set of actions that you can add to a workflow. We head to the process assembly perspective and use a job P we created earlier behind the scenes. We create our first ServiceNow job to generate an incident. We drag the object in the workflow and access the properties. Configuration elements for the actions are found under prompt sets. We'll provide a complete description of the technical elements for all of these objects in another module.